Okay, here's a brand new Comfortmaker Eon central air conditioning unit. This unit replaced a Arcoaire Max Performance or commercial unit, just like this one right here. And yeah, this is an Eon unit, or a SoftSound unit, basically. These are really nice units. Nice little unit right here. It's nice and shiny. And I'm not really sure when this unit was put in, but yeah, it's got a broad ocean motor, which is pretty unusual for a Eon unit. That's a 4-ton from 2023. I would assume it has a Copeland scroll compressor with a sound blanket. But yeah, I'm currently at the place with the music place in my town with all these units. But yeah, just thought I'd make a quick video of this new unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.